My name is Rebecca and I am the Bexa Boss Lady. I am here at my best friend's house, Eleni. She is the biggest Grinch fan that I know, so obviously I had to come prepared in my Grinch outfit. We are going to be decorating her Grinch tree today. We have been collecting stuff for 2 years. Some of it we bought on sale before Christmas last year. A lot of it we bought on sale after Christmas last year. We've just been collecting little pieces. I've thrifted pieces. We've gotten stuff at the thrift stores and garage sales. We wanted to bring you along with us to decorate her Grinch tree. If you're going for a full, thick look, thick.
Full thick.
If you're going for a very full kind of tree, start with the biggest things that you have, like these balls or the candy canes, and do those first, and then gradually going down into the smaller decorative items, then finally putting your trim like garland or floral picks, anything like that. Those all are gonna go on the tree last. So when you have these bigger balls like this, you can even get larger ones. You want to tuck them in the tree so they're taking up the most amount of space. Next year, after Christmas this year, we're going to look for another white garland or something, or a wreath, where we are going to be able to fill in the inside of the tree here with white branches. That way you won't be able to see the black in the back. So in order to not see the black stems on the tree, we're gonna fill it to max capacity in the front, and that way you won't be able to see the pole and the branches in the back. She's also dressed for Grinch apparel.
Walmart.
Last year, most of this stuff was new, and we probably had 200 price tags that we ripped off of these things. Last year we had these on the top of the tree, but this year we have something else to put as a tree topper. So I'm just gonna incorporate these larger stems throughout the tree. Next, we have these big candy things that I got at the at-home store. So again, we're just gonna put them around the tree. All of these ornaments I got at a flea market. So I got this big box and this big bag for $3. So these I'm just gonna use as filler and put them in the back in between the branches, so you can get a little bit of more color towards the center of the tree, and that way it'll look more colorful from the outside of the tree.
Ooh, looking good.
Oh, here we must have missed tags. Did we not use these last year?
If anybody watching has a good nail vitamin, this has nothing to do about, that's okay. This has nothing to do about Grinch. If you want to recommend a good nail vitamin, my nails are all chipped.
Now we have more ribbon that we can even imagine, because we also have been collecting that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through some of these ribbons, and we're just gonna add ribbon accents onto the tree. I just take pieces of wired ribbon. You can just wrap any kind of wire around the edge here, and then attach them to branches and kind of fluff them out from there. You would just take this piece of ribbon, stick it inside onto a branch, and then just kind of let it be. Dripping on my face.
Would you like me to blot it?
Yeah.
As your assistant today.
Yeah, do it.
Okay.
And then be like, these are Hoffmaster napkins. If you or your business is in the need of paper products, call me. Thank you. Very hard work. Thank you. My muscular mustache.
Love that. There you go.
So an easy way to add ribbon to your tree is to just make little loops like this. Take a zip tie, tie it around the bottom, and then you can just kind of put them wherever you want in a tree, in your tree that needs space filled. but that you want to add like a really pretty piece of decoration. Last year I made a tree topper for Eleni, and this is what it looks like. So it's just made out of a round foam wreath bottom, and we're gonna put this on the top of the tree, and then we were able to find Grinch colored pampas grass. So we're gonna fluff these up and put them on the top of the tree to make like a wild tree topper. There's a 50-50 chance I fall off of this chair. We'll make sure to include it in the video if I do. Okay, give me one. Took 2 really long zip ties, and we're gonna attach this crown, the tree topper crown, to the actual tree just so it doesn't topple over with weight. So I'm just gonna take this big one and we're just gonna wrap it around. You want me to take this dog off, or are we gonna?
No, leave it. We could save some of these for the wreath too.
You like it?
Yeah.
Sit here for 2 days and look at it and try to figure out if I want to put more things places, take stuff off, put it on. But we will come back and give you the final update of everything we've done, and I'll give you some other tips for how to make sure that you get the most amazing Christmas tree that you want for the holiday season.